Hey guys, my name is Adenia, and this is my first plant unboxing video. I just got a package from Planet Desert. There's a few rare plants in here from what I remember ordering. Let's see what's inside. Okay. This is also my first time ordering a lot of Kalanchoes. So we'll see. Okay. Planet Desert. Here's my item list. And then they also nicely have a backside that tells you how to care for your desert plants. It's cool, cool. Let's see. All right. So there's no plant in there. Let's see. No more plants. Did they just send me a whole box full of tissue paper? Because that would be hilarious. Oh, cool. Okay. So they marked each of the plants. Oh my God, I can see some spines poking through, some cactus quills. Holy shit. Let's see. Okay, maybe I'll start with this plant. This looks like a good idea. Okay, this is like so scary. Oh man. Here is my Adenia Venenata. Adenia Venenata. It's super cool. Look at, like, it's almost like a succulent stem with like little leaves at the top. I guess it's a relative of the desert rose. I could be wrong about that, but awesome. Okay, cool first plant. Let's see what the second one is. This is like really fun. Oh man. Oh, how pretty. This is an Echeveria raindrops, I believe. Let's see. Or no, I'm wrong. This is the Kalanchoe pumilla. I can see little scallops. It totally looks like a kalanchoe now. Awesome. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, I'll come up closer to the camera so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So beautiful. Look at those purple stems. Oh my gosh. I feel like a Midwesterner, even though I'm not. Oh my gosh. Pretty. It's very, oh no, did a leaf just drop or was it a rock? Crap. I will stick it in the ground and see if it germinates. Okay. So that's 2 out of what looks to be 6. Let's see what this guy is. Okay. Okay, here is the Echeveria raindrops. Awesome. Awesome. This is such a weirdo plant. Look at those little bumps on the leaves. It almost looks like water, but it's not water. It's just bumps on the leaves. And I think they turn purplish with more light that you give them. So it's just kind of like this weird alien purple succulent plant. But how cool is that, right? Just like, you see that? How cool is this Echeveria? Nice. I can't wait to see how this one turns out. Okay, cool. All right, we're down to 3 left. 3 left. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is like a cutie pie. This is a Kalanchoe tomentosa. And I think people call it the panda bear plant because it looks like it has little panda ears, I guess. Or, you know, just like a bear in general. Like, look at those fuzzy little succulent leaves. Such a cutie. Can't wait to see him grow too. He looks like so happy. I almost wish plants could be animals sometimes because they would be really cute. Did you know that mushrooms are closer to animal than plant? Isn't that weird? Fact for the day, I guess. All right. I don't know what this is. I think Planet Desert was having a sale where if you like ordered more than $50 of plants, they gave you a free plant. I'm not sure what this is. It could be, it looks like a cactus. And yes, that is definitely a cactus with lots of spines, actually, not even just some, and they are sharp. What does it say it is? Neoporteria coimacensis. Cool. I don't know anything about cacti really, so that's like kind of ouch. I'm just poking myself. You know what? I'm just gonna put this guy away because I don't want to be attacked by his quills. Okay, last plant. This one I was looking for a while, so I'm so excited. Isn't it crazy how you just kind of are like, oh, I really want this plant, I don't know where to find it, and then all of a sudden, oh, I love it. Oh my God. Okay, so this is also an Adenia. Can you see that? It's so cute. It almost looks like the cactus version of a Schefflera or something, but it is darling. Oh my God, I gotta get this guy out. Oh, I can't get enough of this. Seriously, guys, this is like too cute for words. Oh. So Adenia Glauca. And I haven't, the only place I've been able to find them is at Planet Desert. They probably exist elsewhere. But look at these sweet leaves. So cute. Oh my God. It's my precious baby. Oh my God. What do I do? I'm running out of space for all my plants. Cool. So again, if you guys want to see the plants I got again. So here is the Kalanchoe tomentosa, like little panda bear ears. Here is my Adenia Venenata. So these guys are related. This Adenia and Venenata and the Adenia Glauca are related. A little different looking. And then my Kalanchoe pumilla with the pretty lavender leaves. The Echeveria raindrops. And then this crazy cactus, Neoporteria coimacensis. Neoporteria coimacensis. That's my best guess. Awesome. We did it! Plant unboxing! Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I guess, yeah, I'll just shut this off now.